Ninja, star, fish. Hi guys, come and play with me. Let's check it out, the farm animals. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's play. The first one is goat. Sheep. Chicken. Duck. Farmhouse. Horse. Cow. Pig. And now, let's play a matching game. Can you help me? The first one is farmhouse. The next one is horse. Where is it? This one? This one? Or this one? Horse. The next one is goat. This one? This one? Oh, it's right here. Goat. The next one is a cow. Do you see where is a cow? This one? Maybe this one. Oh, I found it. Cow. Next one is a pig. This one is a pig? Or maybe this one? one? Yeah. Pig. Where is a duck? This one? This one? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. Duck. Can you help me fry a sheep? Can you see? Where is it? Is it the one? Or this one? Yeah. Sheep. And the last one is chicken. Yeah. Chicken. Thank you so much guys for playing with me. Please click subscribe button so we can play together for the next video. See you soon. Bye. Please click to subscribe.